Good morning students, this video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 5 coordination chemistry Werner's theory. First see the Werner's theory. Most of the elements exhibit two type of valency, namely primary valency and secondary valency. Each of the element tends to satisfy both these valencies. Nowadays primary valency is called as a oxidation state of central metal ion. Secondary valency is called as a coordination number of the central metal ion. The primary valency of central metal ion is always positive in most of the cases and 0 in certain cases. The primary valency is always satisfied by the negative ion. Example, CONH36Cl3. IUPAC name of this complex is a hexamine cobalt 3 chloride. Primary valency of cobalt in this complex is a +3. These +3s are satisfied by the 3 chlorido negative ion. Secondary valency is satisfied by the either negative ion or neutral molecule or positive ion or the combination of above these. Example, CONH36Cl3 IUPAC name hexamine cobalt 3 chloride is a IUPAC name of this complex. Secondary valency of cobalt in this complex is a 6. These 6 are satisfied by the 6 neutral NH3 molecule. Another example, COCl NH35Cl2. IUPAC name of this complex is a pentamine chlorido cobalt 3 chloride is a IUPAC name of this complex. Secondary valency of cobalt in this complex is a 6. These are satisfied by the 5 molecules of ammonia and 1 chlorido negative ion. Around the central metal atom, two type of sphere is present. One is a inner sphere. Inner sphere is called as a coordination sphere. Another one is a outer sphere. Outer sphere is called as a ionization sphere. The group present in the inner sphere is strongly attached to central metal atom. The outer sphere is called as a ionization sphere. The group present in the outer sphere is less strongly attached to central metal ion. Hence it can be separated into ions upon dissolving the complex in a suitable solvent. Primary valency is a non-directional in nature. Secondary valency is a directional in nature. The geometry of complex is determined by the spatial arrangement of the group, which is satisfied by the secondary valency. If the secondary valency of central metal ion is 6, octahedral geometry, secondary valency of central metal ion is 4, either tetrahedral or square planar geometry. Defects of Werner's theory. This theory does not explain their color and magnetic properties of complex. Thank you for watching this video.